Manipur police has seized 1,560 bottles of Wincerex cough syrup containing codeine phosphate and arrested one person in Jiribam district, police said on Thursday. A team comprising of state police, CRPF and Assam Rifles intercepted a truck on Wednesday evening at Lengapongpi in the Jiribam and seized cough syrups which were packed in 13 boxes. The truck's driver, Maibam Premjit Singh, has been arrested and an FIR registered for further investigations. Meanwhile, search operations and area domination were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of the valley and the hills district. Movement of vehicles carrying essential items along NH2 and NH37 were ensured. A total of 109 Nakas checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley.